What are the different types of mesothelioma? Hi, I'm Joe Williams. I'm a mesothelioma trial attorney in New York City, and I'm going to talk to you about the different types of mesothelioma that form in the human body, all of which can be caused by exposure to asbestos. The first type of mesothelioma I want to talk to you about is called pleural mesothelioma. And looking at this diagram here, this drawing, we see that the lungs are represented in this pinkish tissue here, and the area outside the lungs in this grayish off-white coloring on both lungs, that is a sac-like membrane that surrounds the outside of the lung. And there's actually two of these membranes. They're called the pleura. There's the visceral pleura, which is almost adherent to the lung, and the parietal pleura, which is almost adherent to the inside of the rib cage. And in pleural mesothelioma, the malignant mesothelioma tumor forms in this pleural space. It's actually a tumor of the pleura. The next type of mesothelioma that we should talk about is pericardial mesothelioma. And pericardial mesothelioma is actually a mesothelioma tumor of the pericardium. And the pericardium is a sac-like membrane that surrounds the heart. So just like we see in pleural mesothelioma, pericardial mesothelioma is a tumor, a malignant tumor of the sac that surrounds the heart. Peritoneal mesothelioma, well, that's a mesothelioma tumor of the peritoneum. And the peritoneum is a sac-like structure that encases the entire peritoneal cavity. And a peritoneal mesothelioma victim suffers mesothelioma to that sac-like structure, the peritoneum. Lastly, there's something called, we'll call it testicular mesothelioma. The medical term is a very complicated sounding one. It's tunica vaginalis. And I can tell you there's really only been about 100 documented cases of this that are on record. It's a tumor caused by asbestos, a mesothelioma tumor. So those are the general types of mesothelioma, and I'm sure you have many questions about mesothelioma, and we can answer those questions. I invite you to call the number below. I'm Joe Williams. At our office, we handle cases for mesothelioma victims every day. Thank you.